welcome back to another episode of Driftsti. I'm Joel, and yeah, today I'll be putting it back together finally. I got a clip from the guys at Subaru Toowong, the wiring harness for the coil pack. So I'll be installing that, putting it all back together, starting it, hopefully it's all good. So if you want to know what my issue was, this is the front coil pack wiring lead thing, and this is the rear. So it just dropped off. This little yellow clip kind of broke and came out, and that's what I'm left with. So here is the new coil pack clip. So basically I'm going to pull that bit out, and then yeah, unpick these, and then it should pop out, and then I'll be putting it back down onto these ones. So I'll do this outside the car, and then I'll come and clip it in. So I've got positive earth signal, and so I want to put it in basically this way. So they're all going in. So all three of those are now clipped in. I get a little yellow locking mechanism, and he just goes in there. Bang, got a new clip sorted. So then we've got to put these down in now. I've got white to the front, black to the back. So now those are plugged in. Yeah, we're nearly ready to start. So I'll just put all this back together.
Take my hand.
Alright, so I ended up getting some more hose.
I got hoes. Woo! I got hella hoes.
So I'm just going to run that from this little pipe here. It goes out and under, and then into a little sender sort of unit over here. So I'll do that, and then we'll be able to start it up. I'll reconnect the positive and negative, and yeah, should technically be able to start it. I reconnected the fuel pump in the boot, so for anyone that's worrying about that. Alright, so I just had a intercool hose blow off, which is actually awesome because I thought that would be worse. And luckily I have a bunch of tools in the car so that I can fix blown off intercool freaking piping. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for today. I'm gonna put the boost gauge in as well. Like I'll probably do that for the next episode. As well, pretty soon we're gonna be putting in the center diff and make it full rear. So yeah, catch that in an episode coming up real soon. We just gotta find some time. But yeah, basically that's gonna be gearbox out, and yeah, we'll at least transfer gears out, and yeah, fucking gonna be fun. So thanks very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time.